our new camper. 200 bucks. Let's see what we got inside. Oh, it came with a woman. No, it didn't. Alright. This is what we gotta fix. This is what 200 bucks gets you. No fridge. Got our water heater, our water thing down here. That's probably gonna come out. So this pulls out to a bed. This pulls out to a bed. Closet. 2 cupboards. Vent. Stove. Sink. Cupboards. Floor. And some rot. Alright, we'll let you know how it works. We're almost done. Not really, but yeah, we've got a lot of water rot. But you know what? This was expected. What I recommend is that you take it apart piece by piece in small doses. Leave what you can even though it's rotted, just so you know what's you got to put back. So yeah, take a look at what we're doing and what we got ourselves into. So there's a whole buttload of nesting and rats. So yeah, this is the turning point to see what you got yourself into with a truck camper. So as you can see, all of our wood is rotted. All of our structural wood is rotted. We're noticing that this whole wall is wet. Everywhere where there's a seam is wet. So we are going to keep going, but we got to get rid of some of this garbage. We found some dry wood, so that was an encouragement to us. You can see I'm propping it up with some other dry wood. But we were encouraged by this piece. Like, yes, there's hope. Okay, so we'll check back later when we get this cleaned up. But Janelle just asked me a question. She said, what are we keeping? And the answer is leaky aluminum, some windows, and a dream. And the dream is still alive. So we're taking out everything. The electrical is coming out, the plumbing, because the electrical was chewed up by mice. I remember when we bought it, the advertisement said, truck camper, no leaks. No leaks, they said. I believed them. No, I didn't believe them, but there's no such thing as no leaks. I guess that's the moral of the story. No such thing as no leaks. Alright, so that's where we're at. Tonight, you gotta get this place swept up. Okay, it's gonna be a cold night in the bed. Oh, okay.
You get the side with the mouse pee.
Yeah, there's a lot of mouse pee in here. It stinks. Stinks good. We've got the place gutted in a day. This is our day's work. Yeah, it's lots of rot. What else can we say? We took everything out in the overhang here, and you can see all these little pinholes. So I'm gonna have to go around and fill each one of those, patch them, fill them from the inside, and then glaze over them on the outside. But yeah, the thing is just full of holes. I don't know how the water got in. Anyways, this is what it looks like from a day. There's all of our electrical, but that was the old spot for the propane thing, so since we're not going to be running propane in here, it's going to be off-grid. Just get all this extra space. So, yeah, this is it. It's holding together quite nicely considering it's only aluminum. Like, there's not much structure left, but the aluminum is holding, so impressed by that. Jeez, there's a lot of work. Alright, that's it. Later.